Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about rules of differentiation. This video is part 2 video, and before proceeding to this video, please check out the last video which is on differentiation and rules of differentiation, that is part 1 video, so that you can understand this easily. So let's get started. We have done till rule 4. So today we are going to start with rule 5, that is differentiation of a quotient. If a function is in this form, that is, let y equals u by v. If your function is in fraction form, then how can we differentiate it? dy by dx equals taking v as constant and differentiating u first. Okay, differentiating u first, v will be constant minus u will be constant and v will be differentiated. Just reverse of product rule. Okay, and then divide by v square. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Y equals 8x to the power 8 plus 6x to the power square minus 2x whole divided by 3x to the power square plus 5x. Here numerator is u and denominator is v. So now solving it as per the rule, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx equals, now v will be constant, v is 3x square plus 5x, differentiating u, that is 8x to the power 8 plus 6x square minus 2x, then again u will be constant, u will be constant 8x to the power 8 plus 6x square minus 2x, then we will differentiate v. V is our 3x square plus 5x whole divided by v square. V square is 3x square plus 5x whole square. So now 3x square plus 5x, 64x to the power 7 plus 12x minus 2 after differentiating. Okay, then again constant, same value, minus 2x, differentiation, so we will get 6x plus 5. Okay, whole divided by 3x square plus 5x whole square. Now let's move on to next rule, rule number 6, differentiation of a function. Differentiation of a function that is also known as chain rule. This rule is very important and you will surely get questions related to this rule. Okay, so let's see with the help of an example. Y equals 3 plus 2x to the power square whole cube. So now in chain rule, first we take constant, the value which is inside the bracket. Okay, and then differentiating the same value afterwards. Let's see, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals, first we will write down the power, that is 3, and then we'll take constant, the value which is inside the bracket, that is 3 plus 2x square. this will be constant. So 3 plus 2x to the power square, then n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. So now the value which is inside the bracket will be differentiated. That will be 0 plus 4x. Okay. So now solve this. 3. This will be constant. 3 plus 2x to the power square whole square 4x. So now 4x will get multiplied with 3. That will be 12x. Now 3 plus 2x to the power square by whole square. Now let's see another example. Y equals x square to the power whole cube. This will also be solved with the help of chain rule. Solution: differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx equals 3. X square will be constant. N minus 1, 3 minus 1. X square will get differentiated here. So 2x to the power 2 minus 1. So let's solve this. 3x to the power square to the power whole square 2x. Now 2x will get multiplied with 3. That will be 6x. X square constant to the power whole square. This is the chain rule. Now the last rule. Rule 7. Differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of implicit function. This is the last rule of differentiation. So let's take an example. 2x plus y equals 7. This function contains x and y, so we have to differentiate each term. Okay, so differentiate dy by dx equals, differentiate 2x first, so 2 dx by dx with respect to x, so that is y dx. Okay, nothing is there in front of y, that means 1 is there, so dy by dx equals differentiation of 7. 2 dx by dx plus dy by dx. Now dx will get cancelled, so 2 plus dy by dx equals 0, because 7 is constant. So the constant value will be 0. dy by dx equals minus 2. I hope you have understood the rules of differentiation, and I request you to please check out my last video which was on differentiation. That video was part 1 video, so that you can understand this part 2 video very easily. Thank you for watching.